What's going on, guys? In the last month, one of my share portfolios has gone up over 4.8%. And that's quite a lot considering the market is in a bit of a downturn right now. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can use a platform called Robinhood. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Robinhood using a few very effective methods. And these work in 2022. Now, if you don't know what Robinhood is an application where you can go and purchase shares and crypto online, and you can potentially make money with this platform. And we're going to cover more of this as we go through this tutorial. Now, I've been investing for a very long time, both in shares and cryptocurrencies, and every single week I bring out videos showing you some of the ways that I've been making money online with the things like Robinhood and other platforms. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. Now, the point of this video is to be a super quick tutorial, perfect for beginners, showing you some of the ways that you can make money using Robinhood, and we're going to do this all within 10 minutes. But before we jump into this tutorial, I do need to let you know that we are still doing my product giveaway. If you'd potentially like to win access to every single one of my products, all you need to do is smash that like button, find the emoji in this video. Once you find that emoji, comment what that emoji is below, and we will pick a winner in the next video. So let's jump into this tutorial and I will show you how to make money on Robinhood. All right, guys, so let's get started with ways that you can make money with Robinhood. Now, this is in no particular order, so this isn't the number one method, but the first method that we're going to talk about is building your own portfolio online, and you can do this with a few different types of things. But first of all, what is Robinhood? So Robinhood is an online platform where you can buy and sell shares, you can do lots of things, and you can also buy cryptocurrencies. So this is the Robinhood website. There's lots of stuff on here that you can look at and lots of different ways that you can make money. But one of the ways is you can actually go to here, this page right here, and you can go to Get Started Now, and you can sign up to create your own Robinhood account. Now, what you can do is you can go and buy particular stocks to build up a portfolio for yourself for either, you could do like day trading if you want, or you could build up a solid long-term portfolio where you get paid dividends and things like that. Now, you can do this with stocks and funds. So for example, if we look at the S&P 500, you'll see all of these companies are in the S&P 500. So 500 companies. So you're not just investing in one company, you're investing in a fund that is investing in multiple companies. And the S&P 500 is like a massive example. There are more that are a lot less, but this is just the one that I know for this specific example. I invest in one that has 50 companies, but this is kind of like a safe bet if you wanted to invest instead of putting your money into specific companies and doing research on those specific companies, because you shouldn't just throw your money in anything. You do need to research when you are buying into specific companies. Now, another thing that you can do is you can invest in cryptocurrencies. So, and if you know about cryptocurrencies, they are very popular right now, especially over the pandemic. And it's really easy to do. You simply sign up and they have no fees. So if you buy $100 of crypto, you should get $100 in crypto in exchange without any fees. So you could also buy crypto on Robinhood. And if you want to, you can also take your investing to the next level, and you can go on their Robinhood Gold, which unlocks more things for you, like you can borrow money at a 3% interest rate if you're eligible, and it's going to cost you $5 per month, and you get more perks. You get level 3 market data, you get professional research, you get access to margin investing as well. So that is one of the main ways you can make money with Robinhood, but there's actually quite a few other ways as well. And this is number 2, and this is earning a commission with Robinhood. So if you actually go to the Robinhood website and you scroll all the way to the bottom, it's going to have this thing that says affiliates. Click on affiliates and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you can apply for the affiliate program. Now, what an affiliate program is you get a custom link. And if people click on that link and purchase through Robinhood, you earn a commission. So you apply, you connect, and you earn. And I'll show you examples of that in a second. And these are some of the perks that you can get as well. And there's frequently asked questions down here. So essentially, it is a referral program, and you send referrals and you make a commission, usually on the fees. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can I actually go and get people to click my affiliate link so I can make money? Well, you can use things like YouTube, for example. If we go to Robinhood Review, you'll see that there's these people down here doing reviews on Robinhood. I actually opened this one right here, and you will see down here. So this is the YouTube video here. He talks about Robinhood, and if we scroll down, this here is the affiliate link. Now, there's all sorts of video ideas you can do videos about. So you could do things like Robinhood Review. Another one is like, what is Robinhood? How to buy Bitcoin, because people can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all sorts of things on Robinhood. So you could do how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Dogecoin, how to buy Ethereum, or how to buy literally anything that is on the Robinhood app that people can purchase. And that is called affiliate marketing. And to do that, you just scroll to the bottom of Robinhood and click on affiliates. Now, if we go back to here, we go to Robinhood Review, and we go to here and we go back, you'll see that if you put in Robinhood, it gives you lots of ideas you can do content about. So Robinhood Investing for Beginners, Robinhood Investing, Robinhood Stocks, all sorts of things, right? Or Robinhood Verse, this is a good one. So Robinhood Verse Webull, Robinhood Verse Fidelity, Robinhood Verse Coinbase, Robinhood Verse Acorns. You can do videos comparing the two, and you can put an affiliate link in. For example, I could put an affiliate link in this video if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but I could if I wanted to. But that's what you can go and do. Now, another way is you can do a blog if you want. So for example, these websites, and you could do articles based on anything, how to buy Bitcoin, whatever, right? But these ones are about Robinhood reviews. And if I go and click on this website right here, Robinhood Review 2022, pros, cons, and how it compares. Now, obviously, these are massive websites that you can't really compete with, but you could go for low-hanging fruit keywords. If you don't know what those are, you can go and do some research on YouTube about how to do that. But if we go down here, it says learn more, and it says learn more here. These are affiliate links, and if people click on those and make a purchase, this website will make a commission. Okay, and you just do content based on specific keywords. So if we go verse again, you can do content based on this as well. Like if you look down here, nerdwallet.com, they have compared it with two other ones as well. All right, so that is another great way to make money with Robinhood, and that is by becoming an affiliate and promoting their product to other people via YouTube and blogging. All right, now Robinhood doesn't have a huge amount of ways to make money like other platforms, but number 3 is the cash card. If you go to Robinhood and you go to cash card at the top, what you can get is you can get a card that turns purchases into stocks and crypto with the Robinhood card. Now, this is going to be a very quick overview because there's really not much to cover here. It's a debit card with a weekly bonus that helps you invest as you spend. So you earn stock and crypto rewards. So you can earn 10 to 100% bonuses on your weekly roundups, and it's all invested in your choice of stocks and crypto. And you can unlock everyday savings. So you can actually go and use this. This is a very good incentive to go and build yourself a little portfolio using this card. Now, I don't know exactly how effective this is or how much you can make or anything like that. There's really no disadvantage to doing this because this is a really good way to get some specific stocks and stuff. And you just go to join the list, and then you can go and get the specific card. Introducing the new Robinhood Cash Card, and it's got all the information that you need down here so you can get involved in this. Now, number 4 is the options. Now, this is more for advanced people, but if we go up to here, this is something that you can get involved in. Now, this is for advanced people only. I would not recommend this if you are a complete beginner, but I did want to add this in as well. And essentially, you put options down, and I don't know much about options myself because you can't do it in my country, but you can go and do some research on how you can get involved in options. And if you wanted some more investing tips, Robinhood actually has a full section called Investing 101. All you do is click on Learn, and it'll show you exactly what you need to do. It's got all the tips and tricks that you need on investing. But as always, it's always a great idea to consult a professional before you actually start investing. Don't listen to people on Reddit because I've seen some pretty bad stories come from that. But Robinhood has a pretty good grasp on investing, and all the information that you need is here. So see investing articles if you want to get more involved in investing. But my favorite way from this tutorial is earn a commission with Robinhood is by doing the affiliate marketing one. The reason why is because I have a lot of experience with affiliate marketing, and it's one of the best ways to make money online. All right, guys, that's a tutorial on how you can make money with Robinhood in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, check out my videos in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.